And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to create the impossible triangle in Illustrator. Let us drag a rectangle. I hold Alt and drag a copy out of it with the selection tool. Let me make the copy red. I reposition it. Now I rotate it holding Shift and I resize it holding Alt. Maybe let's see. Now I drag a copy out of these two and rotate it to 30 degrees. Let me reposition that, then right click transform and reflect. Make sure preview is activated and click on vertical, then copy it. We need these overlaps, so make sure that you have 6 of them, then select it all and use the shape builder tool. Hold Alt to get rid of what we don't need. And now we can work with that. We need the pen tool. Go to the bottom anchor point here. And then drag it upwards until you find this anchor point on the left side. It is on the same level as this line. And I've got only snap to point activated. Let me select it all, then I use the shape builder tool and I get rid of that bottom part here. I need to repeat that process on the right side as well. Once more, pen tool, find your 2 anchor points, then select it all and use the shape builder tool. Now you can see the horizontal line. And the top part, we need to take away this triangle on top. Deselect everything, then use the pen tool. Find your first anchor point and then the second one. And again, select it all and use the shape builder tool. Again, hold Alt to get rid of the top part. Now we can connect the 3 shapes that we need. Make sure you've got everything selected. And we'll start here at the right bottom. This is our first shape, only up to this point. Second one, it goes like this. And the last one. Now everything is black. I've got this gradient already prepared. I use the Adobe Eye to give it this color. Let me give it a stroke as well, a black one, and I increase the stroke size. But there's a problem. Let me zoom in. I hold Alt and zoom in with the mouse wheel, select it all. And now I open the stroke menu. You can do so under Window and Stroke, or simply clicking on that icon. And now we need to change the corner from emitter to round join, and now the problem is solved. But let us work a little bit on the gradient. I open the gradient menu, you will find that under Window and Gradient. And I use the gradient tool to give the 3 shapes that we have an individual gradient, because I want to rotate the gradient in each shape. That's the first one, then press V. Select the second shape, click on the gradient tool and I rotate it. Let me do that once more with the last shape. Maybe this is fine, but I'll adjust the bottom one. But it's just a little bit of detail work. You can adjust your impossible triangle until you find something that you like. Resize it holding Shift and Alt, and here's our impossible triangle in Illustrator. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.